Hi chemistry cats, it's Miss Shay. We're going to practice constructing Bohr diagrams today. So our Bohr diagram today will be representing silicon, which is a metalloid, so it's on the staircase on the periodic table. Silicon has an atomic number of 14 based on what I see on the periodic table. So I know that there are 14 positive protons in the nucleus. And if it's a neutral atom, I'm going to assume that it then also has 14 negative electrons. These will be equal to each other, and the charges, the positive protons and the negative electrons, will cancel each other out if there are the same amount. So I'm going to look at my electrons today for my Bohr diagram. And I know that when I make a Bohr diagram, I'm going to need the rings to show my energy levels of where the electrons go. So I know that for silicon, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 rings to start. If I need more, I can add on more, but I'm going to start with 3 right here. And again, I care about my negative electrons, so I'm going to look and I'm going to say, okay, I need 14 total electrons in this diagram. Now, the closer the ring is to the nucleus, the smaller it is. So my first ring, or my first energy level, is small. It's the smallest one. It can only hold 2 electrons. So I'm going to put my first 2 electrons in that inner ring. So those blue lines represent negative electrons. So I can fit 2 in that inner energy level, and then that energy level is full. No other electrons can fit there. Okay, so then I'm going to move on to my next ring, or my next energy level, because electrons like to be closer to the nucleus, so we're going to start closer to the center and then move outwards. My second energy level is a little bigger. It can fit 8 electrons total, and I still need 12 more, because out of 14 I only drew 2. So I know that I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 right there. Currently, I have drawn 10 electrons. So I had 2 in that first energy level, 8 in the second energy level, and I've drawn 10. But I need to draw 14 to represent silicon. So I'm going to go to my third energy level, and I have 4 electrons left. And I know that my third energy level is bigger than my second energy level, so I'm going to be able to fit all 4 on this third ring, or third energy level. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I have drawn, I'm going to recount and make sure I've drawn 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 electrons I have drawn. So that means I have a neutral silicon atom right here. Thank you.